All right, for this assignment, you are reading an informational text about hiking in the Arizona desert. It's sort of an informational brochure, although it's not laid out like those trifold brochures, but still has some of the information you'd get if you were reading something like that. So, read it or have it read to you. You're going to circle 5 words with the ah sound, like we talked about in our phonics lesson. Now, it doesn't have to be spelled like ALLAWAU, but you're listening for the ah sound. So find 5 words that have that ah sound. Okay? Always small. Look, there's 2. Okay, so then why is the Arizona desert a place people want to visit? And then underline evidence for that. And even if you aren't interested, why might other people want to visit it? How can you stay safe in the desert? And where else could you use these rules? Straightforward. Let me know if you need help, if you are unsure of words, if you don't know what it is asking, if you just need some hints to get started. I'm more than happy to do that, and I would rather that you ask and don't just sit there confused. Okay, there's no need for you to just sit there. I am available to help. It's a learning experience. It's practicing. It's not a test. It's not seeing what you can do. It's really how can we learn and how can we get better at this. Okay? So good luck. And again, let me know if you need help.